My friends. All right, so I had somebody ask me how I got this like really cool keyboard, and whether or not this is an app, basically. This right here, and it is not. I have heard that you can download apps that will change your keyboard, but this is actually loaded right into my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 phone, and let me show you where that setting is so you can have these really cool keyboard settings. There's actually 4 you can choose from. So if you go to, from the home screen here, you go to settings, right there, right? So settings is this guy right there. Hit that. And now you're under settings. Scroll down until you see accessibility. Okay. So this is it right here, accessibility. Hit that. And then you're looking for visibility enhancements. Change size, contrast, color to meet your needs. All right, so click on that, and then you're looking for the high contrast keyboard. That's right here, high contrast keyboard. So mine's on yellow, but if you click on that, you can see there's yellow, there's black one, which is basically white and yellow for the special function keys down here on a black background. Or you can pick yellow numbers, and except for the shift key is white on a white background, and that's kind of cool. Or you can go with that nice little blue, and that's kind of cool too. I kind of like that. I like them all. I don't know why. I just like the I think I like the black background and the yellow keys, but actually this is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe I'll switch it up. Now you mentioned it. Yeah, I will. I've been tired. I'll try something different. Let's try this one for a while. All right, so that's how you do that. And so the next time you go to your app where you have to, say, go to the home key, and then you want to type a message, there you go. So I hope this helps somebody out there. This is really good if you have sight issues, or if you just want a really cool looking keyboard that's already loaded into your phone. So if you have this phone and you can find that and you did it successfully, please tell me in the comments, smash like for me, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. And subscriptions are always welcome. Thanks, because that helps me a lot. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody without getting caught.